Probably.
So I went over to my daughter's house and they have a failed microwave. And there's power at the outlet, but we're gonna take this bitch out and check it out.
Someone's got to hold this though. It's gonna
Yeah, just start unscrewing and we'll see what we can do here. We're removing the microwave from its fancy shelf. So there's a couple bolts in the cabinet and we dropped the microwave out. I suspect it's gonna be a blown diode or a fuse of some kind, but you guys are gonna like KAFKUBA. We're gonna fix this bitch. All right, we got this thing downstairs, and my future son-in-law Joe is.
This thing is small enough for that.
We're opening the back. This doesn't have the normal safety screws that I've seen on appliances recently, where there's a raised nipple in the middle, so you can't put a screwdriver in them. These are all. I can see that the fans are a little greasy. This one's dusty, and that one's greasy. But we're gonna take the back off. It's either a blown diode, or it could be a transformer. It could be a fuse. It could be completely shot. But like, you know, before we go buy a new microwave for fucking $500, let's just see what's inside this bitch. We're in the process of taking off all the screws here.
I guess if you take one side, I should slide the whole thing out.
Well, just, there you go. Watch out, don't lose these screws though. See how it's opening up now?
Yeah.
And then, so the front face, there's two more over here.
Closing it in, I don't want the cats.
Yeah, we don't want the cats coming in, buddy. So we take these off, and then this cabinet will lift up and everything will slide out. The hardest part is getting inside these sons of bitches and figuring out how to like access the electronics. This particular unit is completely covered in grease. I don't know, they were cooking steaks and bacon in here for like 30 years or something like that. Lift that up. See if, does that lift when you take those screws out? Oh, there we go.
There it is.
Look at that. Wait, it's still connected, but we got the dirty fans. Okay, we have access. We have access now.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, here's a nice crack right here.
Yeah, this thing is probably shot. Oh, don't break it completely. This thing is probably shot because it's filled with grease, and it's probably, I don't know, what do you think, 20 years old?
At least.
And they were cooking bacon sandwiches in it, but like, oh my God, I've never seen a dirty microwave, but now we can get inside of it and see what happened. Where is the... We gotta get a closer look in there. I'm not finding the diode that is the multiplier, unless I'm missing it. But everything is really greasy and really dirty, and this could probably use a cleaning. We gotta dig a little deeper, I think. All right, what is that? Is that the capacitor? That's a small capacitor. That can't be the multiplier capacitor. Oh man, I gotta piss, hold on. So we open this microwave, and the multiple blower motors, and the magnetron, and the electronics. This thing is so filled with grease and slop, and so many of the plastic parts broken, taking it apart, that I think this just means a new microwave, because even if we fixed it with a bad diode or something like that, this thing is probably just beyond its life. And I mean, this thing is literally, it's got like puddles of grease. I don't know what this guy was cooking in here, but like he was like making hamburgers 7 days a week, it looks like. Everything is grease. Everything. And this just, even if we repaired it, it might be a fire hazard. And there might be some things worth salvaging, but I would not recommend that my daughter or my son-in-law just not replace this. All right. Show me what you took apart. What do we got here?
Well, this thing snapped in like this, so we popped
All right,
that out.
open it. All right, so that's a cooling fan, but there's a lot of cooling fans in here. More cooling fans than I've ever seen in a microwave. Okay, this is the line filter. That's some brains behind here. Open it. Lift that up. Yeah, this is a more complex microwave than I've ever.
Yep.
Just lift it. So, okay, I think this is just the power supply area. Does that pull right out of there? Here, lift.
Hold on, I think is this. No, it doesn't just pull right out of there.
Okay, so we have to order soon because that's the only option.
Okay.
There's hot grinders, cold grinders. Do you want to split pizza?
I'm missing the. I'm missing the.
Look how nasty this thing is on the inside.
I'm missing the. I'm missing the multi. I'm missing the voltage multiplier filter, the capacitor.
Can you pause it for a second, honey?
Oh boy. We went from repairing this thing to destroying it and salvaging parts. We're trying to find out where the microwave transformer is because I don't think. Don't cut yourself, motherfucker. So these are the parts we salvaged from this. I mean, there's two blower. There's 4 motors in here. There's 4 blower motors in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I've never seen that many blower motors in a microwave. And plus, is that really the microwave transformer and the capacitors? Because there is not the type of microwave oven transformer I would find in a normal microwave that I've worked on. So I don't know how old this is. I mean, it says danger high voltage, so I'm assuming that's the microwave transformer, but that is not like anything I've seen before. So anyway, I ruined my daughter and her future son, my future son-in-law's microwave, but it blew up. I'll get some parts out of it, but I couldn't repair it for him. This thing is full of grease, and I just can't repair it for him. This is just a shit show. All right, sorry for swearing.